Hello children, welcome to the next session number 14. Actually I am not feeling well, that's why I am able to take the classes from past 3 or 4 days. So I have some throat infection. So right now I am fine. So from today onwards I take the regular sessions. So in the previous session we are following the exercise number 2 I hope. First, second, third and fourth bit, that is the third bit, underline the place value of the digits we have discussed. Today we are going to discuss about the write the numbers in expanded form. Okay, so this is the things I want to explain this today. Write the numbers numbers in expanded form, right? So for this sake, first I will explain 3 examples of my own. I will show you how to expand. Then in the 6 questions A, B, C, D, E, F, there are 6 questions are there. So in this one I will explain the first 3 questions. In the next remaining 3 questions we have to do the homework, right? So first, to understand purpose, I will give my own examples. So write the numbers in expanded form. Expand, right? So for example, look at this. 4258 is there. Suppose it is to write in the expanded form. How to write? Very simple. Units, tens, hundreds, thousands. So take 4 boxes because there are 4 numbers, right? After that, write ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Then you place the numbers 4, 2, 5, 8. So first that means take the number and write the box. Then you place the numbers and up. Now how to expand this one is very simple. Write 4258 is equals to write the number 4. And how many are there? 1000. Means 4 into 1000 plus. So this is first one. Next 2. So 2 into 100. Next plus. We have to plus add it because this is 4000. This is 200. And this is what is this? You will get 5 into 10 plus 8 into 1. That's all. So this is the way to expand. So what you have to take? First take the number, write in the proper boxes and count how many are there. Then write the number and multiply with its place. So this is 1000. We have to multiply with 1000. Got it? So I will explain one more example of my own. Why I am giving the own example is these are very short. చిన్నగా ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి మీకు ఈజీగా అర్థమవుతుంది. డైరెక్ట్ గా పెద్ద నెంబర్ తీసుకొని ఎక్సర్సైజ్ సమ్స్ చేస్తే కరెక్ట్ కాదు కదా. మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ ఎప్పుడు కూడా ప్రాక్టికల్ గా ఓరియంటెడ్, ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఓరియంటెడ్ గానే మనం ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలి. రైట్? నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ 72542. This is the question. Say first what I have to do? Write this time how many boxes I have to take? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This time I have to take 5 boxes. Right? After this, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. Then 72,542. Up to this we will write. Then after that, 72,548 is equals to. So how? This is 7 into. Now this time how much I have to write? 10,000 I have to write. Look at this. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. So means how to write the 10,000? Suppose if you are confusing about these digits, 10,000 లో మర్చిపోయారు మీకు ఒక ఐడియా ఇస్తాను. ఏం చేయాలి అంటే 10,000 మీన్స్ 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. Suppose 1000 రాయాలి. 1 ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి కదా రిమైనింగ్ 1, 2, 3 zeros. 100 రాయాలి. 1 అంటే 100 తర్వాత ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి ఏం చేస్తే అది zeros పెట్టాలి. ఇది ఈజీగా ఉంది కదా, ఇలా చేయండి. 1000 ఓకే. 10,000 lakhs వరకు మీరు ఈజీగా రాయగలుగుతారు. నేను ఎందుకు చెప్తున్నాను, క్రోర్స్ 10 crores ఉంటే జీరోస్ సరిగా వేయకపోయేసరికి ప్రాబ్లం అవుతుంది, క్వశ్చన్ రాంగ్ అయిపోతుంది. రైట్? నౌ 2 into 1000. 2 into 1, 1000 means 1, 1, 2, 2 3 1000 తర్వాత ఎన్ని బాక్సెస్ ఉన్నాయి 3 బాక్సెస్ 3 zeros పెట్టాలి నెక్స్ట్ 5 into 100 then plus 4 into 10 plus 2 into 1. This is the way to write. Okay, got it? Now I will go for one more example, lakhs. So this time I will do the lakhs examples. ఇవి మీ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ లో టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ లో లేవు, ఇవన్నీ మీకు ఎందుకు చెప్తున్నానంటే మీకు ఈజీ అవడం కోసం చెప్తున్నాను, అలవాటు చేసుకోండి, మీరు కూడా ఓన్ గా క్రియేట్ చేయొచ్చు. 1,25,546. So process ఏంటి? Take the box 1 2 3 4 5 6. Take 6 boxes and write ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs. So 1,25,546. Up to now it's clear. Now how to write? 1,25,546 can be written as 1 into 1 lakh. So 1 lakh ఎలా రాయాలి చెప్పాను, ఇక్కడ 1 పెట్టి 1 2 3 4 5 zeros. So 1 పెట్టేసి 1 2 3 4 5 plus 1 lakh అంటే రాగా చెక్ చేసుకోండి, యూనిట్స్ టెన్స్ హండ్రెడ్స్ థౌసండ్ 10,000 lakhs. Then next 2 into 10,000. 2 into 10,000 means 5 zeros in the next 4 zeros right? 1 2 3 4 plus 5 into 1000. So ఇక్కడ 5 zeros, ఇక్కడ 4 zeros, ఇక్కడ 3 zeros, 1000, because in 1000 we have 3 zeros. Next 4 into 100. 4 into 100. Next 5 into 100 this one. Next 4 into 10 plus 6 into 1. This is the way to write. Okay, now we go for exercise sums. Can I go for exercise sums now? We got it now? Yes, I'll go for exercise sums. 3 questions, total 6 questions are there. Out of that I'll explain 3 questions and 3 homework to you, right? So first one, 42 crores 85 lakhs 32,178. This is a big number and we have to expand in a bigger. How to write? Very simple. Units, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So how many boxes I have to take? Yes, take 9 boxes. So it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Big box. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. Now fill this one. 42 crores 85 lakhs 32,178. It is finished. Now the main part. So how to write? 42 lakhs 85,000 42 crores 85 lakhs 32,178 can be written as 4 into, very simple, keep 1 here and how many boxes are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 1 8 zeros, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 plus 2 into 1 getting this time how many zeros I have to write? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 because crores. So 1 crore will have 7 zeros plus next 8 into 1 1. This time now I am writing here. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 zeros, 3 4 5 6 plus 5 into 5 zeros, 1 2 3 4 5. Don't write zeros, don't forget to write 1 better by zeros was the best. Plus this one. Next we have 10,000s. So 10,000 at 4 zeros, 3 into 1 2 3 4 plus after this thousands, 2 into 1000 plus 1 into 100, 1 into 100 plus What is the remaining? 7 into 10. 7 into 10 plus 8 into 1. So this is the framework to write. How to write? Once again I repeat. Boxes, and just you multiply the place value, the digit with the place value. So what is the digit there? 4. And what is its place value? 10 crores. So you have to write 10 crores. Got it? And whenever you are writing the zeros, be careful while you are writing, because if you write wrong, it will be total wrong. Okay? Now can I go for the second question? So this is 9 crores 36 lakhs 42,805. As usual, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this time take 8 boxes. How much? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 boxes. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs and crores. So 9 crores 36 lakhs 42,805. That's all. Now how to write? The first 9 crores 36 lakhs 42,805 can be written as, I don't have place, that's why I am writing is equals to here. You write in the notes. Be clear. 9 into, this is crores. Crores means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 zeros. So that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus 3 into 10 lakhs. So 3 into 10 lakh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because units, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Plus 6 into 1 lakh. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus 4 into 1000. 10,000. 10,000 means you will have 4 zeros. Plus 1000. 2 into 1000. Plus 8 into 100. Plus 0 into 10. So whatever thing is there, 0 is there, and you have to consider 0 also. Don't leave it. 0 into 10 is 0. Don't write that value, that 0 into 10. Plus 5 into 1. That's all. So this is the way to write in the expanded form. Got it? Next, I'll go for the one more question. So what is the question? One more question. 1 crore 34 lakhs 87,342. As usual, write in the box. This time 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs and crores. So 1, 3, 4, 8, 7, 3, 4, 2. Say so 1 crore 34 lakhs 87,342 can be written as. How to write? Say 1 into 1 crore. So 1 crore means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Plus 3 into 10 lakhs. 3 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So ఈ zeros ఎందుకు చెప్తున్నాను అంటే కొంచెం ఎవరికైనా కన్ఫ్యూజన్ ఉంటే పోతుంది. యాక్చువల్గా ఇలా చెప్పొద్దు. యూనిట్స్, టెన్స్, హండ్రెడ్స్, థౌసండ్, 10,000, లాక్స్, 10 lakh crores ఇలా చెప్పాలి. అయితే నేను జీరోస్ రాసే దగ్గర ఏం చేస్తానంటే పిల్లలు చిన్నపిల్లలు కదా 5th క్లాస్ తెలియదు కాబట్టి వాళ్ళకి కొంచెం ఈజీగా అర్థం అవడం కోసం నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ జీరోస్ చెప్తున్నాం. రైట్? ప్లస్ 4 into, so 1 lakh, how many zeros it will have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 lakh. Plus 8 into 10,000. 8 into 10,000. 10,000 means it will have 4 zeros. Next, 7 into 1000 plus 3 into 100 plus 4 into 10 plus 2 into 1. This is the way to write. Got it? So these are the three sums I have explained. Now homework to you is remaining three sums. What are the remaining three sums? Some students may say that, sir, we don't have the textbook. I will give them three sums. So homework sums. Homework is write the numbers in expanded form. Same 73 crores 42,000 42 lakhs 85,701. First one. That is, this is D. E 33 crores 1 lakh 35,870. And F 8 crores 12 lakhs 35,870. These are the three homework sums what you have to write. What you have to write? Write the numbers in expanded form. Okay? Next. So I'll go for the next bit. So what is the next bit is, this time you give expanded form, you have to write in the short form. So write the numbers in short form. Right? So this is very easy bit when compared to the previous question. Right. So first one, A. 7 into, you have to count clearly how many are there. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 zeros are there. Means you know how much? Units, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crores, 10 crores. Next, 8 into, don't expect next number, it may reduce the zeros. Here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So units, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Here 10 crores is given. Here it is only 1 lakh is given. 10 lakhs is given. Next, 3 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 zeros. 5 zeros means what? 1 lakh is given. Next, plus 4 into 10,000. Next, 5 into 1,000 plus 6 into 10. 6 into 10 plus 8 into 1. This is given. So first you have to copy the question. Then take the highest one. That is the first one. Units, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crores, 10 crores. So now take a bigger one. And write the highest one. So what is the highest one is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores and 10 crores. So this is 10 crores, you have to write 7. After that, check the number. Units, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So where is the 10 lakhs here? 8. All the students will do one mistake. They will write 7, they will write 8, and they will write 3, and they will write like this. Don't write like that. First you count the number of zeros. So place value. So this is units, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So this is 10 lakhs. You have to place 8 at 10 lakhs. Next, units, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs. So in the place of lakhs, what is there? 3. Then after that, 10,000, 4. Then 1,000, 5. Next, tens is given, hundreds is not given. 6 and 8. Now don't give like this. After this, whatever the boxes are empty, keep zeros. So general student is a mistake and 7, 8, 3, 4, 5, 6 1 రాసిస్తారు. ఇలా రాయకూడదు. ప్లేస్ వాల్యూ ఎంతో కౌంట్ చేయాలి. చక్కగా ఎక్కడెక్కడైతే ప్లేస్ వాల్యూస్ అక్కడ పెట్టి లేకపోతే వదిలేయాలి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇక్కడ 100 ఇవ్వలేదు చూడండి. 100 ఇవ్వలేదు కాబట్టి మనం 100 రాయదు. 100 వదిలిపెట్టేసి 10 రాయాలి. 100 రాస్తే రాదు. Okay? Next, I'll go for the second question, second bit, and this one. That is question number 3 and you. Question number 2 is very easy because all are given. If it is not given, it will be tough. So see it. 3 into, so how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Units tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. Plus 1 into 10,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 into lakh. Plus 3 into 100. Plus 7 into 1. So to avoid the confusion, underline it. ఎక్కడైతే ప్లస్ ఉందో అది కాబట్టి వదిలేయండి. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, యూనిట్స్ టెన్స్, హండ్రెడ్స్, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. So crores ఉంది కాబట్టి first take a box, right, and write from here starting. It is ones, it is tens, hundreds, next thousands, next 10,000s, next lakhs, next 10 lakhs and crores. Now crores, how many crores? 3. Next what is given? Units, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000, lakhs is given. So where is the lakhs in this one? It is 1. Then only 100 is given, hundreds. So how many hundreds are there? 3. And only ones is given, that is 7. That's all. So will you leave like this? ఇలా వదిలేద్దామా? ఇలా వదిలేదు. ఇలా వదిలేకుండా ఏం చేయాలి? zeros పెట్టాలి. So 0, 0, 0, 0. Now this is the answer. Okay? That's all. I'll stop this one in this session, and the remaining one, whatever the remaining is there, you try to write and the homework. Right? So first, you write minimum first class on the 3 questions matter compulsory homework write. Tomorrow I will discuss bit number 6 and 7 and 8. So 6 and 7 to 2 istanu, ascending and descending. From there we can write. So after this we can go for the next exercise. Exercise number 3. That is international system. Same, this one is we are writing in the Indian system. If you follow this very perfectly, the next exercise will be very easy. Got it? So that's all from this session, and we will meet in the next session. Bye.